Hello guys, can you guess what I'm doing? You probably saw it from the top left corner, well my left, it's Scratch! Okay, so this is not on Nintendo Switch, but it's it's not on Nintendo Switch, but it's on Google. Okay. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to make a costume designer game. Kind of like this one. Okay, so what you want to do is add a new project. If you don't want the cat, just get rid of it by doing that. And then you want to paint the sprite. Now, maybe we'll make a robot. Okay, so then first we do the head of the robot. Okay, and then after that we duplicate it, and then we add more costumes to it. So then different color variations. So the way I want this to work is when someone presses the robot like this, they click on it, then it will make it switch to the different color variant. Excuse me. Okay, and then let's do a red one. Okay, maybe let's do 5 costumes. Okay, and yellow. Oh, we already did yellow. Oops. Green. Yay! Okay, so then the code would be on green flag. Click. We want it in this spot, but maybe for you, maybe a different spot. But for me, oh, and don't forget to click the save now, just in case you get glitched out of it or something, and then your progress won't be saved. Okay, set mode not draggable because some cheeky players might, try and drag it around. So, okay, and then when this part, excuse me, when this part clicked, when this part clicked, switch to next costume. Oh, I almost forgot. 1. Save now. Yay! We got our robot. The first part, the head. Hooray! Now, we need to do the body. Okay, so the body will be purple. Okay, be like that. And then we add her arms. There we go. This doesn't look very good, does it? It looks kind of strange. So then we make it go. So then I have a solution. We make it go to back layer. There we go. Okay. When green flag clicked, do the same thing as you did with this before. That one. Excuse me. There we go. And then now we just make the different colors. Green. Blue. Red. Actually red. Duplicate. Okay, and then yellow. Let's do 5 costumes. And one more. Which color should we do? Blue. Yay. Okay. There we go. And then last, oh wait, I almost forgot. Just by clicked. Excuse me. Next costume. Right. Now one more sprite to go, which are the, well, one more body part to go, which are the eyes. As will be black for the first one. Okay. Oh well, looks good enough. Okay. Duplicate. Excuse me. And we make it red maybe, or red eyes, or evil. Okay, and then green eyes. And then yellow eyes. Oh, one more. Blue eyes. There we go. Okay, so just do the exact same code you did for these two. Except this time, front layer. Go to there. And yeah, and then when this sprite clicked, and then we just do next costume. There, save now. There we go. Now you can share it if you want. You can title it maybe robot designer or something like that. Instructions, just click the body parts to make them different color variations, and notes excuse me, and credits. Maybe the iGaming channel on YouTube. Blah blah blah, yeah. Okay, let's try it out. Oh, pretty good. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot. When green flag clicked, switch costume to costume 1. Silly me. There we go. Save now. Let's see. There we go. And try it again. Yay! Okay, everyone. That's all for today's video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. But oh wait. Bye bye.